We're here at the SEMA show, and today we're talking about custom tuning, and we're here with leaders in the industry in the SCT Bully Dog booth with Brett Lundquist. Brett, tell us about these awesome builds you have here in the booth.
Well, thanks. We've got a 2019 Ranger right here behind me. This is something that we built in-house, so it's got a lot of different things going on with it, but let's talk about the tune first. Of course, we have preloaded tunes for this vehicle. We've got anything from 87 to 91 and 93 octane. Now, one of the exciting things about that is with 93 octane, this preloaded tune that's plug and play, very easy to install in your vehicle, gives you about 60 wheel horsepower and about 70 foot-pounds of torque. That's good for almost 2 seconds off in the quarter mile. So we've already done that here in our facilities in Florida. Dyno tested it, track tested it, street tested it, everything you can think of, and that's available right now on pretty much every one of our products. Mainly the BDX would be the one that you want to get for this one. We did a whole lot more to this one to bring it to the show, so we've got air design full body kit on this. It's got fender flares, a hood scoop, the side appliques, the spoiler, the whole 9 yards, the whole thing that they've got there. We also had our friends at Control Freaks help us build a 3-link coilover system. So you'll notice this truck's a lot lower than everything else at the show. This thing is ready for the street. This is a track attack street version. It's ready to go. So we widened the stance on it, we lowered it, we dropped about 6 inches in the rear, about 5.5, 5 in the front, and it's on rails now. So making it more fun with power was fun, but now we can actually put it through the turns as well. A couple other things that we've got on here to help with the power. We've got a Levels Performance intercooler, Turbo Smart blow-off valve, AFE intake and exhaust, and this vehicle is also completely emissions compliant. So this thing can be anywhere you want to be, and you can just drive it every day just like it is. Super fun build, and we're really happy to show it off. Another custom build that we brought to the show is a 2017 Cummins that's right behind me. We did a whole lot to this one too. Now, Mishimoto helped us out with a whole lot of parts, and we also put it on a BDS 6-inch lift. The Mishimoto intercooler is in there, Mishimoto radiator. That stuff installed perfectly, helped us with keeping our temps down, keeping our charge temps down as well. We also put an AFE intake on that unit, some 37-inch tires, just a really, kind of a simple build for that one. Wanted to build something that, is not over the top, something that someone would really daily drive. And again, we did that in-house with our team at SET and Bully Dog. Now, one of the cool things about that truck that we're introducing this year is our Advantage Custom Tuning for Cummins. So that's why we've got that truck in the booth this year. Advantage Custom Tuning has been we've added Cummins to that whole lineup, which is a big deal for anybody who has Cummins, because up until now it was one solution out there, and we only had preloads for them. So custom tuning through Advantage, all the data logging PIDs that you could want, all the OEM PIDs, everything is ready to go. So that's our big release here at SEMA 2019. On top of that, Dynamics was able to supply all the LED lights for both of these builds. All those lights were just perfect plug-and-play lights. Everything worked, it's bright, it looks beautiful. Just couldn't be saying enough good things about those products as well. So shout out to Dynamics.
So Brett, so many great tuners and your new tuning programs. Where could people check that out online?
Yeah, just head over to our website at sctflash.com and bullydog.com. Enter in your vehicle, you can see exactly what products will support your application, and you'll see all of our new products as well.
All right, well, thanks for showing us around these great builds and showing us some of your new products.
Absolutely, thank you for coming.
All right, so if you need a tuner, a tuning program for your Ford, Dodge, or Chevy, you know where to get it. We have more coverage coming your way right here from the SEMA show.